Welcome to Hand Yoga. I am Heidi Parkes, and today we're going to be massaging our hands. We'll begin by feeling into our hands, noticing what they feel like at neutral, and then we'll create a counterclockwise rotation in the center of the palm. I'm using my right thumb to massage the center of my left palm. Because of my angle, it's a little tricky to do this, but it can be wonderful to rest your hand perhaps on a pillow or a quilt, and then you can use your elbow to press into the palm to give that massage. We'll shift now to a clockwise massage. We'll pause to notice. Observing the effects of giving the massage as well as receiving it. We'll move on now to a counterclockwise massage for the right palm. This center of the palm is a space in particular where we can access the metabolism. It's a very powerful marma point in our bodies for just general healing as well. A marma point is spelled like mama, but with an R in it. And we'll move in the opposite direction. And rest. Now we'll go very carefully and do that same rotation for all of the base joints, counterclockwise and then clockwise. You can see if it feels best to do that massage with your finger or your thumb. Let the hand being massaged feel soft and relaxed. You could do this for all of the joints in your fingers as well. So doing this joint, as well as the backs. We're going to move on to our other hand. Counterclockwise relaxes, releases, and then clockwise activates and infuses energy. And we'll pause to feel the effects. We'll do this massage on the forearms as well. For long body parts like this, we want to create an infinity symbol. Just a very light touch here. And now we'll move in the opposite direction. We don't have to worry about clockwise or counterclockwise. We're essentially getting both here. And the other side. And we'll do the backs of the forearms as well. So much of what happens in our fingers and our hands actually begins in the forearms. I find a lot of my hand discrepancies exist right here. We'll move on now to our opposite back of our forearm. And the other direction. And thank you for joining me for these rotations. I Hope that you're feeling good with your hands. Please remember to subscribe to Heidi Parkes for more videos and to look down in the description for links to more videos like this. Thank you and be well.